Friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you how can you read data with Laravel raw queries. So first we will go to the route file. This is our route file. Here we will copy this route and change the slug. It will be read, and it will also go to the block controller. Here we will use another function with the name read. Copy this, and here we will create a new function. Read data and create a function read, and just write a query db double colon, and here we will write select and select star from blog. Now what we will do, we will save this query in a variable. Result equal to, here we will write a for each loop, for each, and first variable will be result, and this is value. Now value now it will post, it will print, it will show all the titles in the blocks table, from the blocks table. Now if we change the URL here, it should work. Here you can see two titles here, PHP and Java. Now we will print this in the next line. So what we will do, we will use a break tag here, break. Now if we rerun it in the browser, now you can see the two titles here. If I want to print the content also, save, and it will we have to change the column name here, content. Now if we reload this, here you can see the content. This is our content, and now if we print this, now I am going to print this, save, and if I run the browser, reload the page, here you can see the object array here. I am going to echo tray. We have to close the tray tag. Now if I reload this, here you can see the array with the objects. You can print anything you want. If I want to print the ID, we can also print this for each. Here we have to change this. Now remove this and echo value, and here we will write the ID, save, and if I reload the page, here you can see the ID 1 and 2. These are two ID 1 and 2. Now what we will do next, we will fetch one record here. Now we will type the ID, we will write a bare condition where ID is equal to question mark, and in the we will create a array here first. Now if I print this, let's see what happen. Result, and here we will use pre-tag. Now I will write pre-tag here. Now if I reload this, here you will see only one array. It will only fetch one array with the one ID. If we want to fetch the second row with the 2 ID, here you can see the 2 ID. Now save this, and if I reload the page, here you can see the second row. Now if you want to only want to fetch the title, then here we can type the title here, reload. It is showing an error. We have to write for each loop here. For each, and result key value, remove this, and you can print the columns like this. Actually we have to echo this, we have to write echo here. Now you can see the title here. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.